listen to this sample that I found and I'm trying to work with. Just solo it here. I pitched it, slowed it down also. It's a lot faster than this. My drums now. Around with the swing. So yeah, it goes like this. Let's just raise the velocity and see what it sounds like on the drums. Let's add some ghost kicks for a bit more flavor. Alright, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and chop this. It might help with the issue that we got here. So currently it's on the audio engine and not sample. So if we go to browse, change it to audio. Now we're going to select sampler. Okay. Let's just record this. Let's record this. Okay, so let's. Okay. It's too much. So what if it was like something like. I've got it, but let's just, okay. Firstly, I need to make this a longer pattern. So let's just try 4 lengths. Then it stops. Okay, cool. We're gonna add to the first pattern just to give a different flavor, a different, just a different variation. Make it say like 92%. Let's try it now. Nope. Make it 90. Let's do something with the swing on the snare. Let's go to channel, sound. Yeah, it's too many. I'll step away from this beat now and then come back to it at a later date. Let's go ahead and find another sample to flip. Yeah, let's see what happens.